Welcome back to the Pineal room. I'm your urban eco master. I heard the people asking, what does he eat? I said, correct it. What does he consume? Well, we consume some sunlight, oxygen, barefoot walking electrons, the breathing electrons. Yes, some good knowledge. But look at the fuel that we're consuming. We're not leaving out the CMOS. So this is the COVID-33 therapy. Turmeric, ginger, and pineapple, CMOS. Just before I give you this special bowl, I'm preparing you a CMOS bowl, We call this one the Pineal Room CMOS bowl. How to use CMOS. How to use the Pineal Room CMOS blend. I'm going to prepare you a nice, lovely bowl. All right? So, what we have here is this bowl that we are going to load our... Here we have some strawberries. We have some blueberries. We have some grapes. We have some pineapple. You don't want a lot here. You don't need a lot. And see? You don't need a lot. This is good. Now, what I'm going to do now, I have the blueberry. We call this one the energy moss berry. So we're going to add a little bit to this thing now. Make sure we cover it. Yes, we'll cover it right there. We're going to add some of the COVID-33 therapy to the bowl. Yes! You're asking me how it is done? Just cover it now with some nuts. We don't finish as yet. Now we have some, I don't remember what kind of nuts this, but we have walnut, we have the almond nut, we have some pumpkin seed. It seems like we even have some cranberry, dried cranberry there, and some granola. Yes, whatever it is. Now we have some hemp seeds too. We have some chia seeds. Yes. And if you want the 102 mineral and the protein, more protein is inside of this than one chicken. Yes, right here. Don't play with it. This is the manna on the land. We call it moringa. So this is where I'm getting the extra protein. Yes. And don't be afraid to stir them in. Stir them in. Stir them in, my people. Because you're creating something magical now, You're creating something that has never been created before. You are the chemist in the kitchen. Now, I'm going to make sure you don't leave the green clean. Don't do that. All right? It's for the gut, the thyroid, and I love it too. Wow. So, here we are. Something different, Powerful. Now, we're not going to add this one yet. We're not going to add that one yet. Just put in a capsule. Men, you need more selenium. So this is the selenium, organic. Everybody needs selenium. I'm just having some fun. Yes, you stir me in. See me stir me in? It is not illegal, I'm just tempted to taste. It is not illegal. Wow. Now we're going to put a little black seed oil in it. So the black seed oil, it's strong. You have to drink it fast. This one is nice. Now, so you can add a little fish oil too. Alright? This one has lemon added to it, so it's lovely. Now we're going to add the mango to it. Now, you see the mango now? It's a fire. The mango and the pumpkin has a lot of vitamin A. And you know that the oil carry vitamin A easily. Yes. So we stir me now. Yes? Yes? Did I miss anything? If you want, you could put some lion's mane. If you want, you could put a little lion's mane, you know? Lion's mane, yes. Get a little lion's mane, and you know, lion's mane go into the brain. Now we have a lot of brain food. Why are you asking what the urban e-commerce consume? That's why I'm dealing with it. So when you consume it like this now, you're wondering, is this porridge? Is it soup? What it is? You can load it up with more fruits. You know that? You can load it up with more fruits. Yes.